I've been thinking about some things and it has been bothering me. There are actually lots of common words that are wrongly pronounced by different people. So let's talk about some of those common words that are wrongly pronounced.
What would you call the OVE?
The dove,
Yeah, dove is correct, but dove is the past tense of dive.
oh wow!
Dove, dove, the one that sounds dove, is the past tense of dive. You know what I mean? As a sea
So-
diver,
So for example, it's I dove in the ocean yesterday.
you're right, correct. But for the bird that flies, which is dove as well, that one is pronounced dove.
Whoa!
Dove, as in love, flood, lunch, not launch, flood, love,
Wow.
love, dove,
Whoa.
lunch. So the OVE that flies is called dove,
Not
not dove. Dove is the past tense of
Dive.
dive.
So the dove flies in the sky,
Good,
but I dove into the ocean yesterday.
that's it.